morning, children. Sai Ram. Today also we are going to continue chapter 11, measurement, part 6. Now see the question. Write how many times the following measures will have to be used to fill a liter measure. Now see the question. 20 ml measurement. Okay, how many times you will take? And the measurements are given 20 ml, 50 ml, 100 ml, 250 ml and 500 ml. Now you know in 1 liter there are how many milliliters? 1000, right? So you have to make 1000 ml. That is 1 liter you have to make. So how many times you will take? 20 ml. That you have to write the answer. So how you will find the answer? So you can divide 1000 by 20. So you will get how many times you will take? 20 ml. So what will be the answer? Yes, you will get, you have to take 20 ml. How many times? 50 times. How many times you will take? 50 times. Okay, 20 ml. Like when you take medicine and all in syrup, on syrup you see, there it is written 3 ml, 5 ml, 10 ml, right? So sometimes the bottle 20 ml only. So like this, if you take 20 ml 50 times, then it will make 1 liter. Okay, now second is 50 ml. How many times you will take 50 ml to make 1 liter? Now 1000 divided by 50. Then what you will get? What is the answer? Yes, it will be 20 times. If 50 ml you take 20 times, then it will make 1 liter. That is 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now next is 100 ml. How many times you will take 100 ml to make 1000 ml? It's very simple. 1000 divided by 100, what you will get? Yes, 10 times. So 10 times. Okay. Now next one is 250 ml. How many times you will take 250 ml to make 1 liter? Okay. So how many times it will be? 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 if you take. How many times I told? 250? 4 times. So if you take 254 times, then it will make 1 liter. So your answer is 4 times. Okay, and 500 ml is, sometimes you get the cold drink bottle also of 500 ml, right? So when you add 500 plus 500, you will get 1000 ml. So how many times you will take 500 ml to make it 1000? 2 times. So your answer is 500 ml you will take 2 times. Okay, children. Now let us see next question, that is solve the following. Now see first question. How many milliliters are there in 2 and quarter liters? I repeat the question. How many milliliters are there in 2 and quarter liters? So what will be your first step? First, what you will write? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. What is your first step? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. And what is the question? 2 and a quarter liter. So 2 liter will be how much? So your second step will be 2 liter is equal to, yes, 2 multiplied by 1000. So first we have to convert 2 liter into milliliter, and then you will convert quarter liter into milliliter. Okay, so 2 into 1000, what will be the answer? 2000. That is 2000 what? Milliliter. Okay, now we will see quarter liter. Quarter liter is equal to how much? Okay, so 1/4 liter is equal to 250 ml. What is the answer? 1/4 liter is equal to how much it is? Half of half. Half of 1000 is 500 and half of 500 is 250. That is quarter liter is 250 ml. And then what you will do? You will add 2000 plus this 250. And what answer you will get? Answer equal to 2250 ml. That is, we have converted that liters into milliliters. So your answer is 2250 milliliter. Understood, children? Now, second question. How many milliliters are there in 4.5 liters? How many milliliters are there in 4.5 liters? So here also, what will be the first step? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. What is the first step? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay. Now what is the question here? 4.5 liter. So first we will convert 4 liter into milliliter. So what will be your second step? 4 liter is equal to, what you will do? 4 multiply by 1000. Yes. 4 liter is equal to 4 multiply by 1000. What you will get? 4 ones are 4 and then 3 zeros. So what is the answer? 4000 milliliter. Okay. Now half liter. Now we have to convert this half liter into milliliter. So how you are going to write now? Yes, half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. Okay, half liter is equal to 500 milliliter. In half liter, there is how many how much milliliter? 500. Now, what we will do? We will add 4000 plus 500. Next step. 4000 milliliter plus 500 milliliter. So how much you will get after adding? Yes, your answer will be 4500 milliliter. That is 4500 milliliter is your answer. Okay, children? Now we will do next question. How many milliliters are there in 1.75 liters? I repeat, how many milliliters are there in 1.75 liters? So what will be the first step? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. What is the answer? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. And what is the question? 1.75. So we have to find, we have already found for 1 liter. In 1 liter there is how many milliliter? 1000. Now we have to find for 3/4 liter. Okay. So next step will be 3/4 liter is equal to how much? 3/4 means more than half. Okay. So it is 750 milliliter. 3/4 liter is equal to 750 milliliter. Now we have to add it. So what will be the next step? Yes, 1000 plus 750. Now we have to add 1000 plus 750. What will be the answer then? Answer is 1750 milliliter. What is the answer? 1750 milliliter is your answer, children. Okay. Now, next question. Which measure will be used to pour 2.75 liters of milk, and how many times will they be used? I repeat, which measure will be used to pour 2 and 3/4 liters of milk, and how many times will they be used? Means if you want to pour 2 and 3/4 liters of milk, okay, suppose you want to pour in a bucket 2 and 3/4 liters of milk. So which measure you will use to pour that much milk, and how many times you will use that measure? Okay, that is the question. So you have to think which measure you will use to pour 2 and 3/4. Okay, that you should remember. How much milk? 2 and 3/4 liters. Now how to write the answer? So one way, first way is to measure 2 3/4 liter of milk we can use. Now to pour 2 and 3/4 liter of milk we can use. So this is one way. Either we can use 2 times 1 liter, 1 time 500 milliliter, and 1 time 250 milliliter. Means 2 times 1 liter. When you take 2 times 1 liter, it will become how much? 1 liter plus 1 liter, it will become 2 liter, right? And then 1 time you will take 500 ml, and then 1 time you will take 250 ml. So 2 liter, 2 times 1 liter will become 2 liter, and 500 plus 250, it will become how much? 750 milliliter. That is, it will become 2 and 3/4 liter of milk. Okay, so this is one way of measuring, that is 2 3/4 liter of milk. What is the other way? Or you can use 1 time 2 liter, 1 time 500 milliliter, and 1 time 250 milliliter. Okay, so or other way is what? You can use 1 time 2 liter. That is, you can take only once 2 liter. Okay, then you will take 1 time 500 milliliter, and then you will take 1 time 250 milliliter. So that will also become 2 and 3/4 liter of milk. Okay, 1 time 2 liter means 2 liter plus 500 plus 250, it will become 750. So 2750 liter of milliliter of milk. So this is how you can show the measure. So with this we have completed this video. Okay children, thank you.